In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Wrike. Whether you're working on a team project or managing tasks individually, being able to attach files or links is a crucial skill for efficiently sharing important information and resources. So let's dive right into the process and make your task management seamless and more efficient. First, you'll need to make your way to the Wrike dashboard. If you're already signed in, simply open the dashboard in your web browser of choice, where you're greeted with an overview of your tasks and projects. The dashboard is your primary workspace in Wrike, giving you quick access to everything you need for efficient project management. Next, navigate to the specific project or task to which you want to add an attachment. Finding your project is straightforward. It's usually listed on the left sidebar. Click on the desired project and you'll see a detailed view of the tasks, discussions, and documents related to it. This is a convenient spot to start adding files or links that are pertinent to the work at hand. Once you've selected your project or task, look for the option to add files. This is typically represented by a paperclip icon or an Add Files button. Clicking this will open a new window or a panel that allows you to choose how you want to attach your files. You have several options here. You might be attaching a document from your computer, or in our case, we're going to focus on adding a website link. When you've clicked to add files, look for the website link option. This option is perfect for when you want to attach URLs directly to your tasks. Maybe you want to add a link to a relevant article, a reference site, or an online document. This is where it can be done easily. Now go ahead and type in the website link that you want to attach. It's important to ensure that all links are correct to avoid future confusion or misdirection. Carefully copy and paste the URL or manually type it in. After entering the link, you'll also need to provide a name for this attachment. The name you choose should be descriptive to make it easy for anyone in your team to identify what this link is about at a glance. This little step helps keep your workspace organized and efficient. Finally, the last step is to click on the option that says Attach Website Link. Once you click this, the link will be attached to the task or project, and you're all set. It's that simple. To recap, you've successfully added an attachment by accessing your project or task, selecting to add a file, choosing the website link option, typing in the URL, naming it, and finally attaching it. This process allows you to efficiently incorporate online resources into your Wrike projects, streamlining your workflow and enhancing team collaboration. Thank you for tuning in, and happy task managing.